What up, fellas? Today we are making boy kibble. As it's been popular on the internet, I thought I'd make my own version of what these gym bros are making out there, which is just minced beef and rice, which, don't get me wrong, would taste absolutely delicious on its own. But we're gonna elevate it with some vegetables and make it a man kibble. Let's go. Got some washed up jalapeños and tomato. I'm gonna just chop this bad boy off. We chop these tomatoes up nicely as well. Get rid of the Capsicum digest where the plant was attached to our tomatoes. Got our tomatoes to the side. Got our jalapenos. We're just going to chop these up a little bit more because we are cooking everything in our stainless steel pan. Make these a little bit more dispersed within the dish. Grab ourselves a plate. Grab ourselves a kitchen scraper and scrape our bad boys into our plate. I've also got some can of corns that I've drained out. We're going to put this alongside our jalapenos. Alright. Cut these like so. Cut them again. And keep going. Chopped up our juicy tomatoes. We're going to add that to our bowl. Some Vegeta, which is some vegetable stock seasoning. We're going to put that in about 500 mils of water. We've got 500 mils of water in our cup. 2 tablespoons of Vegeta vegetable seasoning. This stuff is bomb. Bomb.com. Just gonna give that a stir, let that relax in there. Now we're gonna start with searing our beef. It's that simple. A few vegetables just lying around, just gonna chuck it in. Together with our beef, we got a finished meal prep dish. Let's go! Stainless steel frying pan. Put some oil in there. This is about half a kilo, maybe just over 600 grams of minced beef. We're just gonna cook that for a little bit, get some color on it. Gotta make a move to a town that's right for me. And give that a break up. As this cooks up, it's obviously going to release its own fat, its own moisture. So don't be too scared if it's sizzling right now. I've also got a bag of frozen spinach, about 250 grams. We're going to use about half of that. You can customize this dish however you like. If you got some asparagus laying around, chuck it in there. Some broccoli, chuck it in there. All right. Our beef is cooked all the way through. We're going to let that moisture evaporate, and then we're going to get some colour on there too. It'll take about 5 minutes. As our Vegeta has a bit of seasoning, I'm not going to go too hard on the salt, but I am going to crack some black pepper. Go with maybe a teaspoon of mixed herbs. What is it? Thyme, rosemary and sage apparently in here. A good fingering chunkus of sweet paprika. And our salt. Remember, a little goes a long way since we're going to have some salt in our Vegeta as well. You can always taste and go from there. Ooh, that's frying up. You hear the difference in the noise? We are no longer stewing. The moisture is evaporating and that is frying. That's the difference. You know what? Let's make this Turkish. Let's put some pepper paste in there. Where are you, Pepper Pig? There you are. This is capsicum paste. This stuff, we go through jars of this stuff. 1/2 tablespoon, or a tablespoon of it. It's going to enhance the flavours. Gotta make a move to... Why is that song in my head, bro? Come on. Oh shit, that's smoking nicely. Alright, we've gotten some colour on our meat, as you can see. Can you see it? Yep, you can see it. Yep, can the other camera see it? Yep, you can see it too. Alright, awesome. Just have to, alright. Let's go in with our vegetables. Look at that colour, bro. Alright guys, she's looking extra good. We're going to take out our spinach. I only want to use half, so chuck it in there. Yeah, a bit more than half, but that's okay. And we're going to add in our stock. Turn the heat up a little bit. We're going to let that simmer for a bit until everything is nice and homogenizing, bubbling away. Bubbling away. Shoo, fellas. Our boy kibble is almost finished. Look at that, all the moisture has absorbed itself from the bottom of the pan. This is looking perfect. Gotta make a boy kibble that feels right for me. That is done. We are going to turn the heat off. We're going to let this sit a bit. We're going to spoon over our rice. Guys, I actually forgot. I was going to add some cheese in the pan, but we can do it after. I wanted to make it melt. We do have some blowtorch that we're going to help us with. I think this will be a bit extra, but it will work. Ooh, there we go. Boy kibble advanced. That plate is hot. I should not hold it for a while. Put it down. Alright. Add some oil to it actually. Okay, that's hella good. That's so good. Guys, I really hope you give this a try. It was actually so easy. I used like one pot to make it, plus another pot to cook the rice. There you go. See you guys on the next video.